It's another day in paradise. This is the eighth wonder of the world. Welcome, YouTubers. Today's episode is going to be my Robinhood portfolio dividends total for March 2019. But before I go into that, today is Sunday. Markets close. So tomorrow will be open. I'm currently invested in cryptocurrency. I have one Ethereum Classic, and I have 956 Dogecoin. I'm gonna increase that my Dogecoin to 1,000. Just keep it at that. And when Bitcoin, as you can see, was at 3,800, I should have put my $10 in. But now I gotta wait. Now it's been going up and down, like it's been rising quickly. So I would like to double my $10, take that $10 out, and then buy a stock with that. So that's my strategy with cryptocurrency, because cryptocurrency is 24/7. To me, that blockchain technology, wow. But since there's over like 1,000 of them, you know, I think with the world has to accept one and go with it. So in my personal opinion, uh, when it comes down to it, if we have to go to a one world currency, it's going to be SDRs, special drawing rights from the IMF. So, um, just the market closed. This is what I left off on Friday. 6.69%. So, my goal is to get it to 25. I want to play the rule of 72. If you guys don't know what that is, the rule of 72 defined. The rule of 72 is a simple way to determine how long an investment will take to double given a fixed annual rate of interest. By dividing 72 by the annual rate of return, investors obtain a rough estimate of how many years it will take for the initial investment to duplicate itself. For example, the rule of 72 states that $1 invested at an annual fixed interest rate of 10% would take 7.2 years to grow to $2. So basically double. In reality, a 10% investment will take 7.3 years to double. The rule of 72 is reasonably accurate for low rates of return. The chart below compares the numbers given by the rule of 72 and the actual numbers of years it takes an investment to double. So this is the game that I'm playing. I'm all about the eighth wonder of the world, and this is what it's all about: compound interest. As you can see, I'm between 5% and 7%. My goal is to get 25%. That's long term, because you see your money doubles in 3 years. If you get it that high, instead of, like, I think the normal that what I've heard investors usually getting are between 9 and 12. But if you can jump to that 20, and then 9%, if you're getting like 9%, your money will double every 8 years, and then 12%, your money will double every 6. So I know I'm in the 5 to 7. This is my second year. I'm pretty shocked, to be honest. When you look at the numbers, it just it really does grow. Because when you first start investing, you really don't have it's like I wasn't that confident on how I would be able to grow my money with compound interest, and now I'm seeing it before my very eyes. Then once I show you guys my dividends, this is the most that I've made in the month of March. So I'm about to show you guys right now my dividends. So I'm gonna go to account history, and then dividends. So I'm gonna add up the dividends that I've already received and the ones that are pending for the month of March. So did it switch over? Okay, there it is. Okay, dividend. Okay, I'm only doing the month of March. And I'm gonna add this. I'm gonna add it up on oh, hold on, let me pull up the calculator. Okay. So I'm gonna start from March 1st. Okay, this is my first dividend from Pfizer, 36 cents plus Visa, 25 cents. And these are just one shares, so plus dividend from SPDR, Bloomberg Barclays short term high yield bond ETF, 14 cents. I got a dividend from AGNC Investment on March 11th for 18 cents. Okay, the next one, I got a dividend from United Technologies on March 11th at 74 cents. I got a dividend from Archer Daniels Midland for 35 cents. I got a dividend from 3M for $1.44. I got a dividend from Johnson & Johnson for 90 cents. I got a dividend from Microsoft for 46 cents. I got a dividend from International Paper for 50 cents. I got a dividend from Nordic American Tankers for 4 cents. I received a dividend from McDonald's for $1.16. Okay. Now these are the ones pending. So I'm gonna have to slide this over because I know it's gonna okay, have this over here. Okay, the first would these I will this is all for the month of March, but they're pending, but I will be receiving, so I'm gonna add my total for the month of March, and this is the first time I've ever received this amount. On March 18th, I will be receiving a dividend from Apple Hospitality REIT for 10 cents. I will be receiving a dividend from Kraft Foods for 40 cents, and I bought this on the panic, so for $35 a share. The next dividend I will be receiving is from Waste Management for 51 cents. I will be receiving a dividend from British Petroleum for 62 cents. I will be receiving a dividend from Bank of America for 15 cents. I will be receiving a dividend from Lockheed for $2.20. And then last but not least, finally got a dividend from GameStop for 38 cents. And my total for the month of May is $10.88 in dividends. So so you guys saw that $10. Wow. And I already bought with the dividend, half of it. I bought a company already. I bought this one. Just waiting for it to kick in. So with my dividends, I buy companies under $10, and then this pays a dividend yield of 2.43. I'm not gonna go through it, but it's an okay. I'll go through it. About Norsk Hydro ASA engages in producing and supplying alumina and primary aluminum. It operates through the following segment: bauxite and alumina, primary metal, metal markets, rolled products, extended solutions, energy, and other eliminations. The bauxite and alumina segment include bauxite mining activities, sourcing arrangements, and alumina commercial operations. The primary metal segment focuses on the production, remelting, and casting activities of alumina. The metal markets segment involves all sales and distribution activities relating to products from its primary metal plants and operational responsibility. The rolled product segment consists of rolling mills located in Europe. The energy segment manages captive hydropower production, external power sourcing arrangements to the aluminum business, and identifying and developing energy solutions. The extruded products segment relates to extrusion based business located mainly in Europe and the Americas, which is focused on delivering solutions to the building and construction, transportation, and engineered products industries. The company was founded on December 2nd, 1905, and is headquartered in Oslo, Norway. So that's pretty much the current CEO is Seven Richard Brad Zach. Oh, that was trippy. ZAEE. My eyes got blurred when I looked at that. Employees 34,625. Headquarters Oslo, Norway. Global Stock Investing. So that's a company that I own on the other side of the globe. Founded in 1905, so it's been around. Market cap 8.37 billion. PE ratio 15.01. Dividend yield 2.43. So I mean, I'm snatching that up because you see, buy 62%, hold 33%, sell 5%. So I'm just waiting for that to kick in. So I purchased that with the dividends, half of the dividends, and I'll get the other five, the other following, the rest of the month of March. So I'm just playing a different game. I'm all about, and then you see why I'm focused on my all, because I want that percentage to be at least 12. So I'm almost at 7. So I gotta double my percentage, and I mean the strategy that I'm using, it's working. So there it is. I showed you guys that. So this is pretty much. Oh, in the next, I think like next month, I'm still gonna do a review. I don't think it's gonna be as big. It's probably gonna be half. I'm just curious to see how it rolls through. I'm gonna give you guys my dividend totals for the year, but every 3 months, I plan on doubling it. So this quarter was $10. Next quarter, $20. The quarter after that, 20 to 30, 20 to 40. So I'm trying to double it that way if I can. If not, well, at least every 3 months increase by $10. So that's my goal for this year, to understand how to just make dividends grow in that way. And plus, my strategy is different from everybody else. As you know, I invest in sectors. I'm a sector investor. So I currently have 88 assets under management. So I'll get into that in another video, breakdown on my strategy. Outro. Show your support by subscribing. Comment any questions or recommendations you have. Hit the like button. And share this information with curious friends and family members. Until next time, let your compound interest speak for you. Alexa, smile.
Sure, I smile all the time.